The people of Palestine have been in the battlefield. They have been fighting for self-determination. They have been fighting for freedom. They have been fighting for liberation. They have been fighting for their homeland. They have been fighting for peace. This has been one of the most gruesome wars that have visited humanity after the Second World War. More than 25,000 Palestinians have been killed. Most of them women and children. Those women and children are like all of us standing here. They had hopes and aspirations for the future. They hoped to build their own family. They had dreams and aspirations. Today, all those dreams and aspirations has been shattered by one foolish Joe Biden and Benjamin Netanyahu. Today, all of you are standing here today because you care and feel for the innocent children that lost their lives. Today, you feel for the blood that has been shed by those innocent children and women. History is going to be on your side. In the future, you will knock your chest and say that you stood today on the 13th of January 2024 to defend liberation. We, the African people, are no strangers to apartheid colonial occupation. Our forefathers fought apartheid colonial occupation and won that freedom. Today, that fight continues. Our fathers and mothers beat them 3 decades ago. And today, you're coming out in your numbers, demonstrate that you are going to beat their generation. What you have done today is historic. You have shown that you are decent people. You have shown that you are the future leaders. You have shown that you are the leaders that will chart the path for liberation. The Palestinian people will never forget this historic act that you have performed today. Among us is a young girl called Rahina who has been carrying a baby throughout the 2 hours walk that we have done today. When I looked at her, she reminds me of the Palestinian people. Her child and that young woman that is in our midst reminds me of the innocent women and children that are being killed every day. Injustice anywhere is injustice everywhere. I salute all of you for coming out in your numbers to defend humanity. The people of Palestine will never forget this gesture. International solidarity is an act of honor, and you must knock your chest today and salute yourself for what you have done. When we were fighting apartheid South Africa, the people of Israel said that we were terrorists. Today, they are calling Hamas terrorists. The Hamas is not a terrorist group. Hamas is fighting for national liberation. Hamas is fighting for freedom. And they think that they can shatter the dreams and aspirations of the Palestinian people. No apartheid colonial occupation has existed forever. And the signs that we are seeing shows that Israel is falling. Yes. Believe me, Israel is falling and Israel will fall. And Palestine will definitely be free. And you will knock your chest and say that you are part of that action that liberated the Palestinian people. The people of Palestine stood with us when we were fighting for national liberation. And you have not forgotten that gesture. That's why you came out today. I salute you on behalf of the Socialist Movement of Ghana and its leadership. I salute the people of Kumasi for coming out. This action is not over. Yes. We are going to organize more bigger ones and show the world that we are stronger than them. Free, free Palestine!
Free, free, free Palestine!
Free, free Palestine!
Free, free Palestine!
Free, free Palestine!
Free, free
the people in Kumasi invite me, and the Ghanaian Solidarity Campaign with the Palestinian people invite me to come to this demonstration. So I come to support the people here, and I'd like to thank all the people in Kumasi here about their support and solidarity with the Palestinian people. My people suffering 75 years under the Israeli occupation. They are stealing our lands every day. They are killing my people every day. And if you open the TV and see, they are killing journalists, they are killing doctors, they are killing nurses, they are killing children, they are killing women, they are killing fathers. They kill every moment from my people. And this is war crime against my people. And the people today, and all the Palestinian people and the African people support the two-state solution, and we pray to see the peace in Palestine one day. Thank you so much for the people in Kumasi here. And today we are feeling, as a Palestinian, I'm feeling we are not alone. We have a lot of people support Palestine and they stand by the side of the Palestinian people. All the people in the Arab countries went to the streets and organized very big demonstration. All the Arab world stand by our side, and all the Arab worlds yesterday decided to stand by with South Africa to take Israel to the court. And I'd like to, in this moment, to thank South Africa about its decision. South Africa stand by the Palestinian people all the time, because the Palestinian people support the South Africa people since the apartheid, but Israel support the apartheid against the African people in that time. We ask all the international community to stand by the side of the Palestinian people and to stop this war. Israel want to protect all my people from Palestine, and Israel want to stealing all our lands. And they believe from 1948 that the older from the Palestinian people will die and the younger will forget Palestine. This did not happen and will not happen, because our father teach us everything about Palestine, and we teach our children everything about Palestine too. All my people in Ghana watching the TV call their brothers and sisters and their family in Gaza, and I'm from Gaza too, you understand? And we try to know everything happening in Palestine, and they try to support our people there in everywhere. Anything we can do to our people in Gaza, we do it. And I'm coming from Accra to Kumasi today to support my people too. Not only me, I think there are some Palestinian people here.
Free Palestine!
Free, 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 free Palestine!
Wannan taro muhimmantaccen taro ne da yake ya kamata dukkan mutum da wanda ya san mutunci yake jin zafin dan uwan shi mutum duka, ya kamata mai shi yayi yunkuri, yayi wannan tattaki da neman ma 'yan Palestinian ko 'yan Palestine hakkinsu na mutunci, hakkinsu na ɗiyaucin su yi rayuwa a ban kasa. Saboda irin musguna ma 'yan Palestine da ake yi, irin rayuwa da ake musu, kamar kusan duniya an gamu ana musu rayuwa koko mulki na kama karya, don dole an hana su bacci, an hana su ci, an hana su sha, an hana su tura, har an hana su ma rayuwa fas. To wannan abu ne da yake ya take hakkin dukkan dan adam, ya take hakkin dukkan mutum. Akan haka nan mu muna daga muryarmu da yawun da muke fadi cewa kaman a kiyaye mutuncin dukkan dan adam, ba duban ko addinin mai shi ko wani abu ba, domin wannan abin da ake yi ya wuci fiska na addini, ya kai kaman tawaye hakkin mutum ko hakkin halittan Allah. Allah da kanshi ya ce wala kad karramna bani adama. Allah ya ce ni da na halicci mutum da kanshi, ni don kaina ma na girmama dan adam, na girmama mutum. Amma yanzu ka duba irin random masaka da ake yi ma 'yan Palestinin ga, na nuna cewa kaman ba a mai da su ma dabbobi ba, domin dabba abu mai rai ne. Duk living thing, duk abu mai rai duka ya kamata a kima. Dabbobi ma ba a mai da su ba, an mai da su kaman wasu sandararrun abin da bai da amfani ne. Ana kisa, ana duk abin da aka gani a kansu kan da ya ga dama. Akan haka nan muna kakkauran muryarmu da kira da duniya baki ɗaya da UN cewa kamar su tashi sai a sayar da wannan yaki, koko a neman masu hakkinsu a gun Israel, domin Israel ta yi ta'adda. Israel abin da yake yi ta'addanci ne da yake ya wuci miskala zarratin, ya wuci kamantawa.
Tafiyan da alhamdulillah mun so mutane su fito da yawa, saboda ba abin addini kawai bane, ba abin siyasa bane, abin ga abu na kowa ne, ya shafi kowa. Da mun so mutanen Kumasi da fito da yawa, amma wanda suka fito alhamdulillah mun isar da wannan sakon da muke son mu isar nan. Muna gwada ba mu amanna da abin da ake yin nan. Su sa muka duba ma cikin weekend ga ranar Alhamis ga South Africa ya kai Israel court kan wannan genocide da yake so yana son ya wipe mutane out of like Palestine nan. Sa mun ce muna bin sawunsu ne, saboda abin da suke abin alheri ne, muna bin sawunsu mu gwada da duniya kaman abin da ake yin nan bayan amanna ba. Sannan tafiyar da muka yin nan insha Allah mun convince wasu ba san ma abin da ke tafiya ba, amma mun wayar da hankalinsu, mun gwada musu ga abin da ke tafiya. Yasa muna ganin mun ci burin mu insha Allah. Da muka soma mun biyo daga masallacin Juma'a, muka doka State Pay Hall nan, muka kama muka biyo Wayek, muka hau muka kai a Makom traffic light, muka gangaro muka biyo anyan Asafo, muka gangara muka zo muka bi kan flyover nan, muka gangara kan flyover nan, muka zo muka biyo cikin kasuwa sosai, muka biyo kan Roman Hill, muka dawo muka biyo a Abu Station, sai muka dawo kuma nan masallaci, muka manya suka yi magana, muka sallame jama'a insha Allah.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.